A charming namaste to all. Today I am in a beautiful city, Mysore. Amazing place, and we are at an amazing restaurant. It's Havana. Superb restaurant. It's a veg restaurant, one of the finest vegetarian restaurants in Mysore. And we are gonna do something today. I'm gonna make Alappey curry. And the twist, I told you it's a vegetarian restaurant. So the twist is I'm gonna make it with tofu. So it's gonna be an Alappey Tofu Curry. Let's go. So I've got some cubes of tofu. It's a paneer tofu. So I've just marinated it with some corn flour and a little bit of salt, pepper, turmeric. We're gonna grill it. Then we're gonna make a sauce. This is the first video that I'm making in a restaurant to give you a restaurant kitchen feel. So Alappey curry actually is from a region called Alappey. I've already made a Alappey prawn curry. So this is a veg version of it. So we'll heat a pan, some oil. We're using some coconut oil. And then we'll splatter some mustard. Small teaspoon mustard. This is a different experience. You must have seen me cooking at home. So kitchens, this is how we cook. There's going to be ranges around, and then things are very fast here. So our team, One Break, we've been collaborating with the Sutra group, and this is a new restaurant that they're opening. The background sound, a lot of construction is happening. I'll show you around the place. Kitchen setup. A lot of construction that is happening in this place. Amazing pizza oven is being made. Superb oven. And we'll have a lot of pizzas over here. Collection of pizzas. I want to show you around. We'll continue the dish. Mustard is splattered. We'll add some curry leaf to it. Some green chilies. We'll add some ginger. A little bit of garlic. Once it is cooked a little bit, we'll add some fine chopped onion. I've chopped around 3 onions. Add some more oil. As soon as you add a little bit of onion, you put a little bit of salt, onion will cook evenly. So, I'm with Chef Dave over here. Right now behind the camera helping me out. Chef Dave started this amazing firm called One Break. We do a lot of hospitality consulting across India. We've done a lot of projects. So Havana, amazing project, upcoming project. So Havana is part of a group called Sutra. They've got 6 restaurants already in Mysore, an amazing presence. And this is the new venture that they're into. Again, it's going to be a hookah place, so anybody who's around Mysore, please drop into this place. Spectacular place, beautiful. parallelly we'll cook some tofu. We'll add some masalas. So Alappey curry is not very much, filled with masalas. It will have only two masalas. It will be just turmeric powder and chili powder. That's it. So I'm going to use some Kashmiri chili powder for this. And some turmeric powder. The game is the masala needs to cook. Pan is hot. Let's cook some tofu. To give a little bit of South Indian flavor, we're gonna add a little bit of curry leaves into it. A little bit of heat, we're gonna add some fine chopped chilies also into it. We've got some fine chopped raw mango as well, so we're gonna add that also. So everybody thinks that you can only do good food with non-vegetarian ingredients, but I'm telling you the best food is made with vegetarian ingredients. So here at Havana, we are trying to recreate amazing vegetarian dishes. It's gonna be a way of life. You can see a lot of people coming back to their roots, coming back to vegetarianism, and then at least in Mysore, Havana is leading way ahead with their amazing restaurants across Mysore as well as the new one in the land. Beautiful tofu. Once you grill this tofu, it will start soaking in the juice so nicely. It will be an amazing experience by itself. The tofu is grilled. Now, the most important ingredient in this dish is gonna be raw mango. So this dish is incomplete without raw mango as well as coconut milk. So we'll put raw mango into it and we'll cook it with that. Add some water into it. Okay guys, so I put the raw mango and I put some water into it and I cooked it for about 5 minutes. Now you can see the raw mango is cooked properly. Now the final element, and that is going to be some amazing coconut milk. So you add some coconut milk and magic happens. Gravy gets an amazing color, it gets an amazing texture. Now it's time to taste the gravy. Some more salt is required. Wow. We add some more salt. And into this beautiful gravy, let's add the tofu. Add our amazing tofu. Wow. Okay, so our amazing Alappey Tofu Curry is ready. Let's do the plating. So we'll garnish it with some fried curry leaves.